What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Javier. This is Fast TV. So today we're gonna actually be working on Vanessa. We're gonna go ahead and lower the van today because the ride is not the greatest on this thing. Shocks are blown, it's riding on springs. She does this, going on the road. So now that we got that fuel pump issue taken care of, she definitely hauls ass. So we started going on the highway a little faster. She's waving, it's not too much fun. So what do? We picked up a set of cheap coilovers to put on this guy. When I say cheap, let me rephrase that. Inexpensive coilovers, because these actually look really freaking good. So let's turn it around, show you what we got. Boom, there we go. Got a set of the MAXPEEDING rods. MAXPEEDING rods, if I pronounce that correct. All right, got installation instructions. Whoa, look at that. Now color, I didn't pick the color. I wasn't gonna be choosy. This is their standard goldish yellow that they offer. But, you can move this stuff around here. Look at that thing. These are our front coilovers right here. Complete strut coil assembly. And even comes with camber plates. Set the little guy right there. Go ahead and grab another one out. This must be out. That's our rear setup here. Let's see if I can take it out of the bag. There you go. There is our rear seat. That's going to be our spring sits on there, which we have right here with the rear shock. Wow, look at this stuff. Put that backwards, flat side down. There we go. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, check those guys out, man. Got it all laid out for you. Even came with the end links for the front. Of course, your spanner wrenches for the adjustment. I am excited to put this on. This is actually really nice quality. I'll tell you what, these companies are stepping up nowadays. They're doing real good. It's got a pillow ball on the top there, so it'll be able to turn. And of course, adjust my camber there. Wow, this is pretty dope. It's hot. All right, got my buddy Keith coming out here. He's gonna give us a hand with the van, and just waiting on him, and then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so you can see we got the van up in the air. My buddy Keith just showed up. He's giving me a hand with it. So we're gonna go ahead and start, more likely, with the rear, because to me it seems like it might be somewhat harder, somewhat, you know, just because the arm bucket's here and I gotta swing all this out, put the new perch on here. I'll see how far we can get this done. Rear shocks are blown. This thing's been riding on springs. Look how bad that is. They're completely blown out. Whew, leaking like crazy. Let's take a look at the front. All right, here's our fronts. Big old strut all the way up there. Same thing, riding on spring more than likely. At least it's still got a Honda filter on it, which is nice. But yeah, she's dirty, but she's still running. She's still working. Rotors actually look pretty good, surprisingly. Yeah, back ones, yeah, still pretty good. I ain't gotta touch any of that. So, all right, let's go ahead and let me put together what we need. And as soon as he's ready, we'll go ahead and tackle this. We'll go ahead and start tearing it apart and get those coilovers put on. All right. Just kind of bolt straighten it a little bit. Looked like it did. Okay. There it goes. Too bad. There it goes.
There we go. Jesus.
All right, come up.
Uh-huh.
Hopefully they don't fly off.
Come on. You're good.
All right. All the spring load is off. Yep. Good deal. Hold this out your way. Just pull the spring towards you from the bottom or the top, either way. All right. All right, now he's got that spring off the perch there. We are going to replace the bump stop on there as well. He's going to remove that. That way we can go as low as possible on this van. All right. Sweet. Now we just got to grab the new setup. Where the hell we put it? Oh, it's over here. I just got to grab the new setup here. And yeah, just a little bit of dirt in there.
I had to clean Rob's shop when we're done here.
Yeah. And that'll sit on the perch. We'll put it right in there and pull the arm upward. Sweet.
Ready for you to come down.
All right, and come down on the lift. Here we go. Coming down.
Come on.
Shoot for the edge of the arm more than the. Sorry.
Yeah, come on.
All right.
Slow, slow. I'm gonna have to push it. Come on. Hang on. Come on.
Down?
Yep.
Yeah, last time I didn't have any tension on the spindle. That's why these have that big fuck up taper. Just send it. Come on, get in there. There you go. Yeah.
That's why they put the big taper on there.
Yeah.
I just don't have the ass to push it like that now.
Bitches! Okay.
Ready to come down a little?
Yep. And then we can just come up with it a little bit, or come down with it, I mean. Yeah. You'll set that right there.
Nice and easy.
Alright, coming down.
About a half feet. A little bit. A little bit. Right there. A little bit.
A little bit more? Alright.
Hit the ball. There you go. She's in there.
Sweet. There's the impact. I think it's 17. Hell yeah. Sweet. Hey, my battery's about to die.
And we're gonna have to come up and get that out of
Yeah. Oh, it's okay because we're on the thing, so. And we just got to put the little 10 mils back on for the ABS line. Put the ABS line back on there, and we should be good to go. Let's see what the load stops for these shots. Yeah, when they boom! There it is. Fronts are done. So stupid battery's about to die. I did bring it back up, but front one's on. Keith gave me a hand getting these suckers in here. And yeah, try to put the wheels on, lower it down. Hopefully no adjustment needs to be made. And we'll see what it looks like. There she is. Nice and lower, guys. There's Vanessa. Sorry so late. Light's about to go down, so I'll see what happens here. But as you can see, got Vanessa nice and lowered now. Looks a lot better instead of that monster truck gap she had going on. So anyway, that's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. Sorry, it's kind of been a rush. Trying to get some content out there for you guys, and it's hard. But I'm trying to do the best I can for you guys. And of course, whenever I can schedule it and get it done, I get it done. All right, guys. And on that note, I will catch you on the next one.